This is SPY. It sleeps all night and it works all day. It likes to chop down trees and press wild flowers. It's putting in a high here on this leg of the trend. The 15-minute time frame. You can see there's a gap below, top of it 424, close it 422, and then another gap that meets a diagonal upward sloping trend line. We'll check that in a minute. It would be closed at 395, perhaps just ahead of that. And this diagonal trend line that's been running along price action since October 2022, catching the lows that would meet that gap close now. It would be below 200 period moving average on the 4 hour. On the daily time frame, right on the money. So you could see a test of that. If price action breaks down, that would be a big chunk out of SPY. If the opposite happens, that is, it goes up, then you can see the previous high that we've come in towards at 430, but not yet broken. We managed to get above that. You're looking at 440 and change, 450 definitive levels. If you do break 450, you'll go straight to your prior high and put in higher highs, but much more likely you follow this trend as we have drawn out on the chart there. Let me know if you have any questions. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Rocky Outcrop podcast, Rocky Outcrop show, GME earnings, huge thing. So if you'd like to know about anything between now and then, just fax me. I'll get back to you. Rocky will be checking in with Bitcoin. Came up to the smiley face. We did good calls on that. You want to be checking in with what Rocky's saying tomorrow. VIX then, it's continued its downward move, coming in with these prior lows. We tested this one, 14. We said that was the next destination. You lose this channel. If continuation happens, you'll see it in at around 12. That's where the big moves start coming, from 12 all the way down to 8. You know, huge chunk off percentage-wise. But we're not talking about going long, are we, you crazy lunatics on VIX yet? Anyway, though now it's in its previous low, there is the potential for that, and that would speak to SPY falling down, right? So if you want to look at that in a 15-minute time frame, again, those gaps are 200 period moving average, be closing top side of the first gap, sorry, bottom side of the first gap. And if you did break that, then you'd probably come in for important support and resistance in terms of horizontal levels. 15 minutes isn't where you're going to find it. As low as it's meaningful, the 1 hour, 200 periods in at around 415. And that's where you saw a recent oscillation. So possible test of 415 to 416. If you don't hold, you being SPY, pressing wildflowers, hanging around in bars, if you don't hold 422. So, if you enjoy brightening up your day with some trade spotting, and you cut down trees, and you like to eat buttered scones, then you should hit the like button and subscribe button and follow me, just like your dear papa. Fax me if you want to see anything in particular, my face included, anything via fax. Links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Check in tomorrow with Rocky, myself, obviously, for GameStop updates. There is 24.89 post-market, 24.69, the literal price on the actual cent that we said. So, you know, there's a Rocky Outcrop flash there at 23.35. Bear that in mind. You'd be losing upward sloping channel. You'd be reaching resistance at this downward sloping diagonal, and you've got important targets above if we do keep going. All available to Tradespotting subscribers. Fax me. See you later. Thanks very much. Hit the like button. Support the show. Support the show. Support the show. Support the show so it continues. You know, it's the best show on YouTube, and it could be even better. Thanks very much. See you then. That's tomorrow.